Hi there, and welcome back. We're on module three, and by this time, I know you finished modules one and two. How did you find those? So, a brief recap of what we taught you. In module one, we talked about how you would demonstrate your unique value so that people will buy into you as a VA. Module two, we talked about building an attention grabbing profile. And now it's time to take that attention grabbing profile of yours and show it to your client so that people will pay for your services. So let's continue in module three. Module three's topic is client acquisition. It doesn't matter how valuable you are, it doesn't matter how great your portfolio is. If you're not putting it out there, if you're not getting clients, then you have pretty much done nothing. And how do you land clients? You land your clients by using digital assets. That's how you land your clients using digital assets. And so in the next slide, we're going to talk about this digital assets, what they really are. But first, the definition. These digital assets are the things that you put online that allow people know who you are, allow people know where to find you, allow them know what you bring to the table. And so there are five primary digital assets that you must start with. What are your digital assets? They're your resume, your cover letter, your bio, your one pager, and your LinkedIn profile. The resume is the first thing people like to see about you is that you're strong, succinct, and tell the people what you do. And you never get a second chance to make a first impression. So your resume is the first thing everyone sees. So you've got to build a solid resume. And then, of course, if you're putting up a resume, it's always advisable that you send a cover letter out along with it. Some people call that your proposal, your pitch, whatever name you call it. Let somebody know what to expect, and then they're going to open your resume. The third thing you're going to send is your bio. Now, you may not always send them together. It's going to depend on what someone is asking for. So, your bio, an edited version may be on your resume, or you may just have a bio where someone says, send me your bio. And then, of course, your one pager. Your one pager differs from your resume in the sense that the one pager could carry your photograph, it could carry a list of the things you've done before, sample clients, typically very colorful. And it differs a little from a flyer because the one pager has more information than a flyer. And then last but certainly not the least is your LinkedIn profile. So those are your digital assets, and those are the things that will make people want to talk to you. Lesson two. After creating these digital assets, how do you get clients rushing to work with you? And that's our forte. That's what we teach. To get clients to rush to hire you, you've got to have the right skills. And the right skills differ depending on what it is that you're wanting to do out there. But you've got to learn organizing as a virtual assistant, scheduling, time management, task management, how to use content creation tools. And when we talk of content creation in this regard, we're talking about text-based content creation, how you're going to write social media posts for your clients, write newsletters, blogs, journals, things for them that require writing. And then, of course, data entry. Every organization requires people to keep their information in databases, primarily Excel or whatever tool they're using for their data entry. You should be well versed in this. Of course, presentation. How do you present? Research, artificial intelligence. And of course, you need to know how to write your resume, interview, set up businesses, and once set up your business. And that's when people are going to rush to work with you. But you ask me, how much could I possibly make in this role? You can make tons of money depending on what you do. But a typical entry point for people starting from Africa is $3 to $5 an hour. I've seen people make more than that. Some of our students who gave us permission to share make between $5 an hour, $10 an hour. Kathy makes 750 euros a month. And so you're going to earn in whatever currency is applicable to the location where you're offering your services. Patience and Queen both offer similar services. Patience is an online tutor. writes resumes for people in Nigeria, and her rates start from 20,000 naira, which is about $15 and up per resume, and she's in super high demand. So you can take your career in any direction that you want. How did they do it? They chose high paying niches, they built their portfolios, they built strong profiles, and they went out there and landed clients. And some of them do very little for the money they make. Some of them work just an hour a day. Some of them, all they do is brainstorm with clients. And we've had people who've landed roles in the fintech sector, in medical sector, and you too can do it with the right training. So here is what we teach you. In addition to a bunch of skills, different software, PowerPoint, Google Workspace, Microsoft Suite, project management tools, we show you how to create a unique headline that shows your value so that you grab people's attention and hold it. We show you how to create a full portfolio and share it with the public depending on how much you want to share. We don't allow you lose your past work. All of the things you've done in the past come together to create this portfolio. So we show you how to include your past work in your portfolio. Patients who I referenced before had been teaching since the year 2020 before she came to our program in early 2025. Now her client base has expanded to China, America, the UK, and other African countries, and she credits her success to the tech tools that we taught her. These are tools that anybody can learn. Oboita is a pharmacist who joined our program last year and currently stays in Nigeria but works for clients in the US, helping them with their medical office services. So these are just highlights of some of the things our students have been able to do with our training. And so, what are the trainings we offer you? We have two tiers of training. The Essentials of Virtual Assisting course is our primary tier, is super generalist. It's a self-paced 1 month fast track. You can do it faster, you can do it shorter, but it's designed to be completed in 1 month because we need you to step out there and start earning. It's designed for motivated and ambitious people who take every lesson and run with it. Our graduates have landed all sorts of jobs, and some of them even land jobs in class. You will get all-round support from our tutorials and alumni networking groups. You will also earn a certificate of completion that you can show to employers that you've really learned. And of course, there's a higher tier, which is our advanced virtual assisting program. You learn everything from the essentials class, but most importantly, you can become a project manager, a customer service person, a lead generation specialist, a travel planner. And so sign up for our course to experience the same transformations that others have experienced. We are in this business to take your dreams to the next level. And so our next class starts next month. Choose your tier, but I recommend the advanced program for career changers. If you've already been working for a couple of years, then the advanced program is best for you. If you've never worked before, the essentials program is best for you. We will give you all round support. We will show you hidden job boards. We will post jobs for you in your cohort. And exceptional students get an opportunity to intern with us. And we are fast, efficient, affordable, and come highly recommended. There are 3 ways to sign up. You can either sign up via Paystack, the link is on the slide, or go to seller.co. Seller is an online portal where you can buy our course, or make a direct bank transfer to sign up for the next month. Slots close and fill up super fast because we offer a hands-on approach where we're reviewing your work and giving you feedback. Send all inquiries to +234 707 871 4991. That directs you straight to our program director. We look forward to seeing you on the inside. Welcome on board.